Hello friends, welcome to this channel. In this video clip, I will tell you and also show you how you can enable caller name reading for incoming calls on your iPhone. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Be sure to put your likes under the video and also write your comments after watching. So, let's get started. And now I'm going to show you this process completely from the beginning. So, friends, if you'd like to enable a feature like reading a caller's name out loud, for example, if you have an elderly person using your iPhone, or if you're using your iPhone in the car or something, say, and you want your iPhone to be able to announce who's calling you, it's very easy to do that. To do this, friends, please go to the settings on your iPhone, and then scroll down and find your phone. Friends, here you will need to select Call Announcement. And when you go to this option, you'll see a few options here. And it always defaults to the default setting like I have right now, Never. You can choose one of the options. For example, only when you're wearing headphones and in the car, or you can choose the very first option, Always. That way, whenever someone calls you, you will have the name of the person calling you announced. That's the way you can quickly and easily enable caller name reading by ear for incoming calls on your iPhone. I really hope, friends, that you found this video helpful and useful. Please don't forget to put your likes, write comments under this video, and also subscribe to this channel. Take care.